I now declare the 7th Annual Coffee Festival planning and arrangements duly in place.
1, 2, 3.
It is now my joy and my pleasure to declare this second historic Global Tourism Resilience Day duly established.
Today marks a pivotal moment in the realm of Jamaica's tourism as we unveil a brand new American Airlines flight route to a breathtaking and culturally rich destination.
This, of course, is the 7th renewal of the Jamaica Coffee Festival, which I inaugurated, and I'm excited about the fact that we created something that has made it possible to showcase the varied, the deep, the wide, the elongated value chain of coffee in Jamaica. We were able in the first 2 months of the year to bring 1 million visitors to Jamaica and earn $1 billion. Now that is a record that has never happened in the history of Jamaica. We have put $500 million from the Tourism Enhancement Fund that the JHTA and the tourism partners have now agreed that they will come in and match so we can provide as much as 100 little houses for tourism workers.
Hey! Oh, Falmouth is not an ordinary town. It thrives on the will of the crown.
Ladies and gentlemen, all, thank you so much for gracing us with your presence at this very historic ribbon cutting and opening of Jamaica's first artisan village.
The signing of this MOU between the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission and the TPD, Tourism Product Development Company, truly is a momentous occasion for us all. The remarkable young women represent the future of Jamaica, and through this partnership, we aim to equip them with the knowledge and skills they need to become outstanding ambassadors to foreign nations' rich cultural and tourism heritage.
Christmas in July represents an arena for the showcasing of your products, but it also is a marketplace because what it does is to bring buyers and sellers together. We formed a new team chaired by Dr. Kerry Wallace to be guided by the team headed by Wilfred Bagaloo to establish the Jamaica Tourism Supplies Logistics Hub. In an effort to build back these livelihoods and support the recovery of the Jamaican people, the Ministry of Tourism is advising that $2 million of the Spruce Up allocation, we are allowing members of parliament within the southern area where the damages have been greatest to use $2 million of the $4 for relief activities.
after 3. 1, 2, 3.
It is truly a pleasure to welcome you today as we gather to unveil this magnificent mural in celebration of Tourism Awareness Week and Tourism Awareness Day.
Here is an airline, a very young airline, 3 years old, that has chosen yet again Jamaica as the destination for their first international flight.
The fact that this flight inaugurated today in Jamaica signals a very important part of the link in that particular chain, which will then enable regional connectivity and the realization of multi-destination tourism is critical.